Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a run pickup deal and how I ended up with 27 items for just 3 cents each. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, before we get into this run pickup order, I just wanted to go ahead and remind everybody that we have the 30,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I know that not all of my Walgreens couponers watch all of my DG videos, and not all of my DG couponers watch all of my Walgreens videos. And I did announce the details of that giveaway in my 5 off $25 scenarios for DG video on Friday. So I'm going to go over the details with you guys really quick, just in case you missed it. So for this giveaway, I'm going to be choosing 5 winners to receive a $20 gift card, either from Amazon or Walmart, whichever one that they choose. And I will be announcing the winners this upcoming Saturday. Now, how do you enter to win? Well, it is really simple and easy. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed, because this is a subscriber appreciation giveaway. Then make sure that you're hitting the thumbs up on each and every video, and share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email, click on that share button and share the video out. And then, of course, leave a smiley face emoji or any kind of emoji in the comment section of each video that I upload this week. And the more smiley faces and comments that you leave underneath each video that I upload, the more chances that you have to win. Because on Saturday, I'm going to go back and choose 5 videos from this week, and I'm going to plug those into the random YouTube comment picker, and that is going to choose our 5 winners. So there should be a winner from each of the 5 videos. So while I'm telling y'all about this deal, go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a few smiles down in the comment section below. And then once we're done here, make sure that you click on that share button and share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this Walgreens run pickup deal. Like I said, 27 items for just 3 cents each. I paid less than $1 out of pocket. I cannot even believe it. Now, my store is not a 24-hour store, so I will be picking up this order first thing in the morning. You guys are going to be seeing this video first, and then I'm going to run, drop off the kiddos at school, go pick up my pickup order. So if there is any updates, I will leave it in the pinned comment of this video, and then I'll also make a post about it in the community tab. And of course, I will post a picture of my run pickup deal haul. So I should have y'all an update by 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So again, make sure that you check that pinned comment and the community tab. Alright, so for this deal, we're going to be picking up some clearance hair care products, or I believe that they are on clearance anyways. Either way, it's a great price. So what I want y'all to do is open up your Walgreens app or the Walgreens website and type in the search bar HASK, H-A-S-K. Now, quite a few items will show up ranging in price from $3 all the way up to $7, but there are 3 that you really want to be on the lookout for. So we're going to take a look at those right now. So here is our first one. We have the HASK Keratin Protein Deep Conditioning Packs. These are kind of like hair masks. So these are normally $2.09, which I think that is a clearance price as well, because the majority of these products, like I said, were around $6. Now these are on clearance for just 9 cents each. Now pay attention. As you all can see on your screen, my store or my app was telling me that they were out of stock at the store. I don't know what's been going on with that here lately, but it has been happening a lot, because I have noticed on several products that I have put in for a pickup order, it will tell me that they are out of stock on the initial page, and then once you click on it and it opens up to the full details, it will actually say that it is in stock at my store. Now, here is the second product that you want to be on the lookout for. We have the HASK Argan Oil Intense Deep Conditioning Hair Masks. So again, these are on clearance for just 9 cents each. And again, this one said it was out of stock until I opened it up. And then once I got to the full detailed page, it said in stock at my store. And the same thing with this third product. We have the HASK Argan Oil Healing Shine Hair Treatment. These again are on clearance for just 9 cents each. So here's how you want to do this pickup order. Go ahead and click on that first product that we talked about. And I went ahead and selected in store and then pickup order. And then when you go to the amount that you want, I went ahead and put in 15. Now my store did not have 15 in stock, so it automatically knocked me back down to 3, which they do have in stock, and it added that to my cart. So same thing for our second product. We have the Hask Argan Oil Hair Mask at 9 cents each. I selected the product, selected in-store, pickup deal, and then I selected the amount 15. Now again, they don't have 15 in stock, but that knocked me back down to 9. So I'm paying 81 cents for 9 of these particular hair masks that were $2.09. Now let's take a look at our third product. Now for our third product, we have the Hask Argan Oil Hair Treatments. And again, I did the same thing. I selected the product, select in-store, pickup, and then for the amount, I typed in 15. However, this one's a little bit interesting and we may have an update on this one. So definitely check the pinned comment and the community tab. So again, I selected the amount at 15. Now for this one, it knocked me back down to 12. And if you guys will notice, right under that number 12, it says a 12 item limit. So once I get this pickup order in my hand, I'm going to try to do another pickup order and see if they have any more in stock, because you can only pick up 12 of these items in one pickup order. That is the limit. It will not go above that, even if they have more in stock. So I may have to do a second pickup order for this product. If they have any more in stock, fingers crossed that they do. Now, for your Walgreens pickup orders, you have to meet the $10 limit. So you have to at least spend $10 to be able to put in that pickup order. So what I did was I added in the Wet n Wild brow pencil. These are $1.99, and we have a $1.50 off one digital coupon. So that leaves you paying just 49 cents for this one item. And then I also threw in the Shea Moisture bar soaps. These are $4.19 each, but they are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So picking up 2, that's going to put you at $6.28, and we have that 6 off 2 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying 28 cents for 2, making those 14 cents each. So here's a look at the coupons that were applied. That 6 off 2 Shea Moisture coupon and the 150 off 1 Wet n Wild. Now there's a couple of coupon codes that were working last week, so you may want to try those as well. We have WAGS 10 and Get 10. That might take off an extra 10%. I did not try it just because I was right at that $10 amount. So go through the coupons that you have available to you on your account and find some high value coupons and throw in a couple of filler items there. So a couple just off the top of my head are the Revlon nail clippers. Those are buy one get one free, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon and a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So here's a quick look at my order summary. My items totaled up to $10.43. I had 96 cents in sales tax. Manufacturer coupons took off $7.50. So my final order total was $3.89. Now, I went ahead and used $3 in Walgreens cash to bring my subtotal down even lower. So if you've got Walgreens cash, go ahead and use it. So I ended up paying 89 cents for 27 items, making each one just 3 cents each. So how awesome is that? Now you guys run, put in your pickup orders, go and pick up those orders, and then come back in the comment section and let me know if y'all score. Now, if you're looking for some more deals that y'all can do this week, make sure that you go back and check out my Dollar General All New Coupons video where I go over all the best coupon matchups. We do have glitches and overages this week at DG. So I will have that video linked in the pinned comment down below. And make sure that you stick around because we have a 4-day sale coming up at DG as well. And I have all the information and coupon matchups, and that video will be uploaded here shortly. So, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, good luck with your deals. I hope you all score. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.